Metalscooler Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise that integrates technology research and development, production and manufacturing, and product sales throughout the entire industry chain. The company was founded in 2016, headquartered in Hengli Town, Dongguan, with a modern production base of 43,500 square meters. The company specializes in the research and manufacturing of high-end radiators. Our products include heat pipes, VC, 3D VC, liquid air cooling radiators, and brazed parts, liquid cooling connectors, and other precision metal components. Serving clients across over 30 industries, such as electronics, automotive, and medical sectors, it achieves an annual export revenue exceeding $30 million. Through years of effort and development, the company has established a solid foundation. With over 700 employees, advanced and comprehensive production facilities, with an experienced and technically proficient management team, we provide technologically advanced and quality-assured products and services to clients across diverse global industries. Through years of dedicated cultivation, we have established multiple intelligent manufacturing centers, Precision CNC Machining Center, equipped with over 150 advanced machining machines, such as precision CNC lathes, million turning machines, CNC milling machines, and skiving machines, etc., with a machining accuracy of plus or minus 0.01 millimeters, stamping and forming center, equipped with over 40 high-speed punching machines with a tonnage ranging from 40 to 400 pounds, hydraulic forging machines with a tonnage ranging from 500 to 2,500 pounds, laser cutting machines, and sheet metal bending machines. Advanced welding center, equipped with tunnel furnace soldering, diffusion welding, vacuum brazing, friction welding, organ arc welding, laser welding. Assembly and testing center, equipped with assembly, testing, packaging, and related processes. Laboratory-grade testing center, equipped with projector, CMM, testing instruments, Rose testers, profile meters, thermal shock testers, drop testers, dynamic balancers, and helium leak detectors, etc. The enterprise has successfully passed the three major system certifications of IATF 16949, ISO 9001, ISO 14001. With constant temperature and humidity storage environment, implementing multi-tiered controls from incoming material inspection, production processes, and final inspection to achieve full process quality management. 10 years of craftsmanship, forging an excellent brand. Metalscooler builds a quality enterprise. Looking forward to co-creating intelligent manufacturing with you for a win-win future.